What the? So we're gonna take this engine out and prep a new one. Nothing too crazy. My wall of parts.
Brother,
Live TV.
Is this Facebook Live? Hello?
what's that?
Facebook Alive is crazy.
What the hell? What the hell?
In Harbor Freight we trust. You got 2 more bolts on the top. Let's get them out. Let's try this combination. We take that out, get a pry bar ready, and watch the torque converter. Can you stay there? Got it separated. Just got to make sure it doesn't want to pop out. And it's out. Close your eyes, boys. Double pump action. Go. Ah! A little bit of silk glide won't hurt nobody, you know. Injector cleaning time. Take these. Nobody. The last thing I do to make sure I know I did them, I mark it. And you're ready to go back in. New bolts, of course. Make sure nothing binding up when you're going back in and you'll be good. See my other video about the fuel stuff. I put this on a very specific way. Now last thing I do is spray with some brake clean. Make sure we're fully clean. Just like that. Again. Put these brackets on and we'll be all set to go. So that engine is ready to go in. Now we all got to do now is the customer purchased a hose kit. So we'll put all these hoses in the car. So we're gonna end up putting hoses, blah, 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 new belt, and we'll go from there. So I'll go put those hoses in and we'll be right back. All right, so we did a little bit of cleaning. Got everything cleaned up, new hoses where it need to be, new hoses, and let's go. This should just drop right in, you know. That's what we always want. We'll see how easy it is to drop in right now. I'm going in. You can get one bolt in as an anchor. And let's see how far off we are on the other side. Just a smidge more down. And it should just plop in. Yep. I got it. It's probably gonna be hard for you to see, but I'm gonna put that bolt in. All right, so now we can bring those two bolts in and send her home. Just like that. Those go down to about 82 foot-pounds, I believe. Release yourself. Now while I take this chain off, I'm just gonna throw everything back on, start torquing stuff up. Let's go. So you got this dirty shield. Go clean this off because you don't want burning oil smell after you just got a new engine. That ain't gonna be a good sign. After we do this, we'll rinse it off with some brake clean. Way better than before. It's probably kind of hard to tell on camera, but you'll start to see it a little bit more clear, tinny, chrome, whatever you want to call it. Just set yourself apart. You know what I'm saying? Those don't need to be super tight. Trying out this new setup here. I got this mag rail for 1/4 inch. I reorganized this cart. Go back, go back.
Oh no!
My flashlight's dead. Alright. Guess the streamline's gonna have to do today. Make sure you put the O2 sensor wiring back onto the clip so it doesn't hang or get stuck. So I'm gonna put the intake back on, raise the car, button up underneath, and I'll see you when I start it. So now we can reset adaptive values, clear all the codes out, and it'll be all good. This car did have more than just a check engine light problem. Alright, start the sucker up. So we still got tire light, airbag, traction, ABS. Make sure everything looks good. Be looking perfect. This car came in barely running, misfiring, the whole 9 yards. Let this bleed out. Make sure AC works good and test drive it. If y'all like that video, give me a like, man. Show some love in the comments. But drop another video soon, and we'll go from there, boys. Hooray!